Hello everyone, my name is Marcy Dolan and I'm a service learner from California State University, Monterey Bay, volunteering here at the Monterey County Flea Libraries. Today I'll be showing you how to make a photo frame out of popsicle sticks. I really hope you'll enjoy this little craft session. Okay guys, we're going to start with our popsicle stick frame, and these would be the items you'd need in order to make one. So of course we have the star, the popsicle sticks. You could get these at Dollar Tree, they're very handy. You would need a 4x4 inch photograph. I don't have one, so I'm just substituting it with a sheet of paper instead. Newspaper. This is mostly just to keep your surroundings clean. That way when you're using glue you won't dirty the place much. A marker just to indicate where you would like to use your glue on what stick. That's easier as an indication, so you don't have to worry about overusing too much. And I'm using this kind of glue. It's really good, really handy. So yeah, so now with all the tools that we have, let's get started. So to begin, what you would need is you would need about 12 sticks. And what you would do with these sticks is you would line them up on the newspaper together, and we're just lining them up right now, so we're not going to stick them or anything. So as you can see, I used 10 sticks for my small frame. And again, it depends on how big you want your frame to be if you choose to expand your picture. But yeah, this is what we have so far. Now that you've lined your sticks together, you're going to use 2 more sticks, but this time you're going to put them on top of each other. I've added the glue and now I'm going to put them together. So while you're putting them together, make sure the sticks are aligned. See, I've aligned them accordingly and there's no gaps in between. And when you're ready, slowly drop it and press down. Make sure you apply pressure evenly, and when you're done, just let go. We're going to do this the same way for the other stick. And like it, you can always press it in. That the sticks are together. And there you have it. So with our frame now ready, what I plan to do next is I'm going to add another layer of sticks on both of these ends. And the reason is, when we create the top frame, you're going to need space in order to move your picture in, right? And if there's not enough space here, your picture won't be able to go in. So that's the main reason why we're adding an extra layer. You can add more if you please, so maybe another stick on top would help, but for now I recommend just using one. So yeah, let's stick these up together and proceed forward. So our frame has now dried, and what we're going to do is we're going to add one stick on top like this. We do the same here, and we would glue them together. So for this in particular, I would recommend not using glue for the entire stretch. It's mostly preferred if you just use them here at the ends, because these are your sticking points. It's not this one. I clicked it on top. Okay, so it seems our frame is now ready, and we're going to test our little sheet of paper from before. For this step, I would recommend having someone with you to hold down your frame while you push your paper in, because that way you don't want your frame to be moving all around the place, right? So let me see. Oh, there you go. It seems to be gliding in just fine. If you're someone who really enjoys stuff like this, I would definitely recommend decorating it. So you could use anything. You could use stickers, you could use glitter, you could also color it with felt pens. That way, you could make it stand out the way you want it to stand out. But this is the process of making it, and I hope you'll try it out soon. It's really fun. I really hope you enjoyed making your little photo frame and really consider being as decorative and expressive as you can with the material, because it's really a fun activity, and I hope you liked it. So thank you very much. Take care, have fun, bye bye.